Hey there, this is Trash Nuts. We all know drinking a lot of water can be very good for health, body, skin and hair, as it provides with nourishment to each and every cell of our body. But often people complain that they aren't able to drink more than 2 liters of water per day. Maybe because of the busy schedule and lack of interest due to no taste. However, do you ever wonder that we can make this normal water a lot more tastier and yet add a lot of more nutrients to it? And here the question arises, how? Well, here's how. You can make delicious DIY waters or detox waters as per your convenience, your taste and your desired ingredients at your home itself. Now, why is it even a thing? People exercise, and due to excessive exercising, the essential nutrients which are required by the body also break down to provide energy while exercising, leaving you tired and making your skin look dull, or even it could fade the glow of your skin. Say what? Oh yes, it is very necessary to provide nutrients to your body while you are exercising so as to maintain the glow of your skin, to energize your body and to not make you weak. So here are 8 such detox waters which are packed with energy and great taste. Let's know the benefits of these DIY waters. Number 1. Making your skin glow. Who doesn't like to have a glowing skin? These waters may help you to do so. Number 2. Slimming up your body without making your skin look dull or making you weak after exercising. Number 3. These waters boost your immune system, which is very essential nowadays. We should boost immunity as much as possible at home. Now let's check out the amazing 8 magical waters. Number 1. Green tea and lemon. Green tea contains healthy bioactive compounds which make it more than just a hydrating beverage. It improves brain functioning, increases metabolism, and thus helps to reduce weight extremely fast. It provides your body with antioxidants which makes your skin look young. Lemons are packed with nutrients including vitamin C, beta complex, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium and fiber. The vitamin C in lemons can help alleviate stress and fight viral infections and sore throats. However, it's not only the vitamin C that is thought to be good for your heart. The fiber and plant compounds in lemon could also significantly lower some risk factors for heart disease. Lemons help in controlling blood pressure as they are rich in potassium. Lemon juice helps in clearing out toxins from the body, thus helps in cleansing. They help prevent formation of kidney stones. They are alkaline in nature and reduce acidity, pain and inflammation. Limonene present in lemons help in preventing growth of cancer. Now how to make this super easy and healthy drink. Boil a cup of water and brew green tea bag or tea leaves for 2 to 3 minutes. Squeeze the juice of lemon and serve hot. Number 2. Lemon and cucumber. Nutrients, cucumbers are packed with them. In just a single cup of cucumber slices, you will get 14 to 19% of vitamin K you need for the day. You will also get vitamins B and C along with minerals like copper, phosphorus, potassium and magnesium. Loaded with only 45 calories, cucumbers are great for a flat stomach. It is because cucumber contains as much as 96% water content, which does not give you a bloating stomach and helps your body to cool down. Vitamin K helps improve calcium absorption, providing good bone health overall. How to make it? Slice 1 cucumber after washing it thoroughly. Slice 1 lemon, put them into a water bottle and add mint if you like to. Add water to the bottle and leave it overnight. You can consume it the next day and refill it after every use. Number 3. Honey, lemon and ginger. Today proponents of honey tout its miraculous healing properties, claiming that it can prevent cancer and heart disease, reduce ulcers, ease digestive problems, regulate blood sugar, soothe cough and sore throats, and increase athletic performance. It is rich in antioxidants, it has no fats, it reduces risk of heart attacks, strokes and some types of cancer. It is very good for skin as it helps to make it very soft and glowy. Honey helps in healing wounds and burns effectively. Honey is also said to be elixir of life. This concludes that honey has vast benefits. Ginger reduces cold and flu. It is good for your heart. It treats inflammation. It prevents cancer. It improves brain functionality. It treats severe indigestion and prevents nausea. How to make it? Heat a glass of water. Do not boil it. Crush ginger root with the help of a mortar and pestle. You can see the picture of a mortar and pestle below. Add the crushed ginger root, lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of honey into the glass of warm water. Consume it before it cools down. Number 4. Pineapple lemonade. Pineapples are tropical fruits that are rich in vitamins, enzymes and antioxidants. They may help boost the immune system, build strong bones and aid in digestion. Despite their sweetness, pineapples are low in calories. Pineapples contains high amount of vitamin C and manganese. In addition to having lots of vitamin C, pineapple's bromelain may help reduce mucus in the throat and nose. So if your cold has you coughing, try some pineapple chunks. Those with allergies may want to consider incorporating pineapple into their diets more regularly to reduce sinus and mucus for a long term. Black pepper. It prevents any sort of cancer, good for digestion, it prevents constipation, it treats skin problem, it is good for health. It aids in weight loss, it treats depression, it helps in treating respiratory disorders, it reduces joint pain, it detoxifies your body. Salt. The essential minerals in salt act as important electrolytes in the body. They help with fluid balance, nerve transmission and muscle function. Some amount of salt is naturally found in most foods. It's also frequently added to foods in order to improve flavor. How to make it? Blend chopped pineapples in a blender. To this juice, add juice of 1 lemon. Add half teaspoon of black pepper. Add a pinch of salt. Stir and serve. Before moving on with the video, if you are liking it, then make sure you turn the black thumb blue and share it with your friends and family to help them get benefits of these DIY waters. Click the subscribe button to keep on learning with us and don't forget to ring the bell for being notified every time we post. You can also follow us on Instagram at @trash_nuts_YT. Number 5. Orange and carrot juice. Carrot. They are rich in beta-carotene, a compound your body changes into vitamin A, which helps to keep your eyes healthy. Beta-carotene helps to protect your eyes from the sun and lowers the chances of cataract and other eye problems. If you are on a weight loss diet, your diet must include food that are high on fiber, and carrots with both soluble and insoluble fibers perfectly fit the bill. Fiber takes the longest to digest and thus promotes a feeling of fullness and prevents you from binging on to other fattening foods. It ensures bowel regularity and helps in digestion. It fights cholesterol and boosts heart health. It lowers blood pressure, boosts skin health and immunity. They are excellent source of vitamin C. It helps to boost immunity. It promotes good skin health and prevents skin problems. Lowers blood pressure and lowers cholesterol and blood sugar levels. It lowers the risk of cancer and alkalizes the body to promote good eye health. How to make? Thoroughly wash the carrots and slice them. Peel off oranges, blend them both together. Add few coriander leaves and blend it again. Add little water and give it a stir. Number 6. Beetroot and mint juice. Beetroots. They are packed with essential nutrients with a great source of fiber, folate, that is vitamin B9, manganese, potassium, iron and vitamin C. Beetroots and beetroot juice have been associated with numerous health benefits including improved blood flow, lower blood pressure and increased exercise performance. Mints are rich in nutrients. It may improve irregular bowel syndromes, may help relieve indigestion, It could improve brain functioning, subjectively improve cold symptoms. It can mask bad breath, energize your body and keep you fresh, and also it provides good oral health. How to make? Peel and chop the beetroot into cubes and blend it. Add some fresh mint leaves to the mixture and blend again. Add little water and stir it. Add a pinch of salt and serve. Number 7. Strawberry and cinnamon detox water. Strawberry. These patent little packages protect your heart and increase HDL, that is good cholesterol. Lowers your blood pressure and guard against cancer. Packed with vitamins, fiber, and particularly high levels of antioxidants known as polyphenols. Strawberry are sodium, fat, and cholesterol free, low calorie food. Cinnamon. The antioxidants in cinnamon have been found to have anti-inflammatory effects, have prebiotic properties that promote the growth of beneficial bacteria and help suppress the growth of pathogenic bacteria. Cinnamon is high in a substance with powerful medicinal properties. Cinnamon is loaded with antioxidants. Cinnamon has anti-inflammatory properties. It lowers the risk of cancer. It helps in lowering diabetes. It helps to fight fungal and bacterial infections, and it may also help to fight HIV. How to make? Cut strawberries in half and toss them into a jar. Throw in some mint leaves and cinnamon sticks. Keep it in the refrigerator overnight and drink it in the morning to rejuvenate your body. Number 8. Lemon and mint. How to make? Slice lemon into a bottle, add few leaves of mint into the bottle, fill the bottle with water and leave it overnight. Enjoy it the next day and refill after every consumption. Do try these amazing waters to lead a healthy lifestyle, boost your immune system, stay fit and active. That's it for today guys. Don't forget to comment the water which you are going to try and did it help you or not. Also tell us the topics on which you want us to post next. Thank you for supporting us. Stay tuned with Trash Nuts.